So the next thing I'm going to show you how to use in Celtx are the web services. And what you can use this for, let me just go first show you where it is. It's right up here on the right at the top. And see when I click it, it gives me a prompt to sign in. So I can't, first you'll have to create an account, so that's what I'll show you first. I'll just go down here and create account. So what the web services is just a couple of different things. You can create an account on the Celtx server, and then you gain access to a couple of free features. And the features are a private backup of your project, collaboration with other Celtx users, and PDF generation of the project. So basically, you can back up your project online, and then that will allow you to access it from multiple computers, as well as just have a backup in case it crashes or you accidentally delete it. It allows for collaboration with other Celtx users. So since it's online, you can, if you share your project with somebody else, they can also start using it and start looking at it. And then PDF generation, pretty self-explanatory. So we'll just continue and create an account. So first, or step 2 of 5, name, organization, and email. And then you want to check if you are over the age of 14. Then you must create a username and password. Let me do this real fast while you wait down here. Okay. Enter the following. Everything looks good. Next to complete your registration. And then thank you for becoming a member of the Celtx community. So now I'm logged in and I have access to the free online features. So there it is. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And now here I am on a tab for web services. So that's how what the web services are and how you create an account. And I'll show you what you can do with those in the following clips.